What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Polkadot today. And like I said, I'm going to be going over a lot of different cryptos. But before we start this video, go ahead and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood when you sign up in Webull. And you can also get more free money with crypto.com. And yeah, that's free money right there. Make sure you sign up for those to get that free money. I got my free money now. Get your free money. And make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. And without further ado, let's get back to the video. So what we're doing here today inside of Polkadot. Polkadot is going up right now. Look at this. Polkadot is actually on an uptrend. So look at what we did here previously with Polkadot. We were going all the way up here on Polkadot with a huge uptrend. And honestly, Polkadot right now, we did go down on that downtrend. Everything went on a downtrend. I mean, not everything, like completely, but not everything completely dropped. But we did drop a lot on a lot of these different cryptos. So what we're looking at here with Polkadot right now. So let's look at our little new trend line that we're starting here. So look at this. This is a new trend that we're starting here. Boom, right there. We're actually breaking out of this trend as we speak. We're breaking out of this negative trend line that we've been in as we speak. This is crazy because this negative trend line, it's really the same for every single crypto right now. Every single crypto is breaking out. So the same thing's kind of going on in the stock market. If you notice the stock market, there actually a lot of stocks are going up right now. So yeah, this right here is our new trend that we're setting here with Polkadot. Looks like we're actually about to break out of this trend. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It could do anything. Remember, cryptos are really volatile. Anything can happen. But looking at the technicals, what this is telling us is that we are actually going up on an uptrend. And obviously, it may not be that as sharp as it looks here because we did just now start trending. So we actually may just end up not breaking it right here and then selling off. And remember, it's really determined by buying and selling and what's going on fundamentally with the crypto. And fundamentally, we have so much going on with Polkadot. So that's actually really what I want to talk about. The technicals really don't matter right now because everything's so volatile that a technical is pretty much useless right now. But as you can see, we are consolidating right now, and that is actually a lot of buying going on right now. But this is our consolidation period. We are coming to this breakout point, which will really define whether or not we will break out with Polkadot here. But like I said, the technicals with this right now really don't matter because of where we are with all of our cryptos. Everything's going crazy right now. So who cares about the technicals right now? Let's go on and move on to our fundamentals. But before we do that, let's look at this. 22.3 billion in market cap. That's really good. And then 3 billion in the last 24 hours. So Polkadot, a lot of people are really holding Polkadot. People aren't, trying to day trade, swing trade it. They're not really trying to trade Polkadot. Like Polkadot has actual uses. Like I really love Dogecoin. I really do. But something about Dogecoin it has uses. Don't get me wrong. Dogecoin has a lot of uses. But when it comes to Polkadot has more. Obviously, even Ethereum has more. Dogecoin is a community-based crypto, while Polkadot is a fundamental-based crypto. So that's a huge difference in between Polkadot and Dogecoin. As you can see, $3 billion right here in the last 24 hours with Polkadot was traded. $3 billion. That's pretty big over here. Same thing, the same price with Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is twice the price of Polkadot. Dogecoin is 44 billion, Polkadot's 22 billion. Dogecoin 3.4 billion in the last 24 hours, Polkadot 3 billion in the last 24 hours. This shows you right here that Polkadot is really being held more than it's being sold. So Dogecoin right now is being traded on a heavy scale right now. A lot of people are just trading back and forth with Dogecoin, just trying to make those profits, get those profits in. But yeah, right now we are in our consolidation period with all of our cryptos here. Our cryptos, they're trying to break out. I said June and July are going to be really huge for crypto in general, especially Dogecoin and Shiba. But cryptos in general are going to do really, really good June, July, because all this FUD, all of this dropping that we've had coming up, now we're actually about to lead into an uptrend right here because we did sell off huge, and what goes up must come down, what goes down must come up. So this is just how things work here. So Polkadot, let's get to our fundamentals now. Polkadot weighs multi-chain tech challenges ahead of the dot pair chain options. All right, Polkadot's interconnected web of blockchains will require a totally different application programming paradigm, said Web3 Foundation Tech lead Joe Petrowski. So let's keep reading here. Decentralization is all about trade-offs. Polkadot, for example, was designed to carry a heavier transaction load than Ethereum, but simply spreading out as Polkadot's system of interconnected pair chains comes with its own set of challenges. That's what Web3 Foundation technical lead Joe Petrosky said Monday during CoinDesk consensus. So yes, CoinDesk had their own consensus 2021 conference. They had their own conference call. Look, explaining how the Polkadot builder is going about its business in 2021. So this was the whole meeting that they had here. It was actually pretty cool that they had this meeting. Gavin Wood is the CEO, the creator of Polkadot, I believe. Let's look up Polkadot so then we can just fact check that, because I'm 99% sure. Yeah, Gavin Woods right there. All right, so yeah, Gavin Woods, he is the co-founder of Ethereum, and he is the founder of Polkadot. So yes, Gavin Wood, Dr. Gavin James Wood, as he calls himself, is a British computer scientist, co-founder of Ethereum, and creator of Polkadot and Kusama. I'll talk about Kusama later, but Kusama is tying in here with Polkadot. There's so much going crazy right now inside of the crypto space. Ethereum, so many things are built on Ethereum. It's like Ethereum is going to be successful no matter what. That's why I made my Ethereum Classic video, because Ethereum Classic just as good as Ethereum. So yeah, Ethereum is a really good platform right now, and Polkadot being on it, that's just huge. Let's keep going with our little news here. Let's keep reading this, right? So Polkadot, for example, was designed to carry a heavy transaction. We already read that. The explosion in areas like decentralized finance has left people crying out for faster, cheaper alternatives to Ethereum because of the transaction fees, though. Ethereum can be thought of as a single thread blockchain, which is convenient as far as state changes are concerned, but means users compete for synchronous execution time. The result we are all now seeing is very high transaction fees. Block space is at a premium. On the other hand, a multi-chain future invites untold complexity. So on the other hand, listen, a multi-chain future, that is the main thing we need to look at. The multi-chain future, that's what Polkadot is bringing to the forefront, bringing to the table. As far as multi-chain apps, which I definitely see coming with asynchrony, is a big problem. Petrosky said it's a total different application programming paradigm, so spreading out is great, but also requires some new thinking on the part of developers who are using it. So let's keep going with this. Petrosky gave the simple example of a block explorer. So this is huge right here. Look, for instance, a transaction done using some Ethereum application like Uniswap results in Etherscan showing everything that changed in that one transaction. So if you don't know what Etherscan is, let's go over there and look up Etherscan. Well, you don't even really have to look up Etherscan. You can just do Polkadot rich list. I don't even know why it always pops up when you type in rich list. You always get Etherscan or something. Polkascan, blah blah blah. Where's Etherscan? All right, usually it does pop up when I type inside of Dogecoin rich list or something like that. But either way, Etherscan. Let's just do that. Polkadot Etherscan. And as you can see, Etherscan, it shows you everything about the crypto that you're going to look into. So yeah, Polkadot Etherscan, and here it is. Obviously, it's not showing everything because I guess they haven't updated it, or maybe it's just the wrong one. But you get the drift. Etherscan is here to stay. Polkadot is here to stay. You get the drift. Let's keep going on and let's keep reading this article here. So I gotta find my place again. Okay, Ethereum applications like Uniswap results in Etherscan showing everything that changed in that one transaction. If you think about a multi-chain application, then you could have one transaction actually trigger a bunch of different state changes on different blockchains, Petrosky said. So how do you go about having some kind of explorer that says, well, I made this transaction. Can you show me everything in the blockchain universe that was affected because of this? So Win Auctions, Polkadot, which was founded in 2016 by Gavin Wood, is slated to go fully live later this year, blah blah blah. The next stage in the development process involves the launch of parachain auctions, a fundraising process where projects lock up 1 million DOT to win one of 100 or so coveted parachain slots. So it's kind of like staking. They're kind of like staking, talking about staking here. Look, the next stage in the development process involves the launch of parachain auctions, a fundraising process where projects lock up 1 million DOT. 1 million DOT is worth a lot. So it's worth a lot. Yeah. 1 million DOT times the $22 that it's worth right now, or Polkadot is worth like 23 now. So you can do the math there. I'm not going to do that math for you, but 22 million, whatever. But yeah, let's keep going on with this. Let's go over. Oh no, wrong page. So over here with the win auctions. So Polkadot, the next stage in the development process involves the launch of parachain auctions. So these parachain auctions are going to be the next phase of Polkadot, a fundraising process where they lock out 1 million DLT. Before the auctions can commence, Polkadot's various test nets need to be up to speed when it comes to finalizing blocks, said Pachowski. For now, a shell parachain on Canary network Kusama is producing blocks every 3 or 4 minutes. I think once Kusama is producing blocks at about the 12-second rate for the shell parachain, then we'll be able to publish the auction timetable and open that up. Okay, so Kusama is one of the biggest things going on right now with Polkadot. I keep on, messing up. Kusama, Polkadot's Canary network. So the scalable multi-chain network for radical innovation, unpredicted I'm not even gonna try to. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this right now. We're not doing that. Interoperability. Okay, whatever. The ability of computer systems or software to exchange and make use of information. I'm learning so many new things every day just dealing with these cryptos. This is so crazy. But yeah, unprecedented interoperability and scalability for blockchain developers who want to quickly push the limits of what's possible. Built using substrate with nearly the same code base and industry-leading multi-chain infrastructure as Kusama's cousin, Polkadot. Origin of Kusama, the relationship between society and technology has deteriorated to the point where large entities routinely stretch and overstep their authority. Facts, big facts. Kusama is a network built as a risk-taking, fast-moving canary in the coal mine for its cousin, Polkadot. It's a living platform built for change agents to take back control, spark innovation, and disrupt the status quo. What is Kusama? Kusama is a scalable network of specialized blockchains built using substrate in nearly the same code base as Polkadot. The network is an experimental development environment for teams who want to meet faster and innovate on Kusama or prepare for development on Polkadot. Kusama was founded in 2019 by none other than Gavin Wood. He is the one who founded Polkadot. Kusama, everything is really just going crazy right now. Let's go over here and type in Kusama. So this is Kusama right here. So yeah, Kusama, as you can see, $334. So that's kind of crazy that Kusama is worth a lot of money right there. Kusama is worth more than I keep getting my words all twisted up here. It is worth more than Polkadot, but Polkadot is ranked higher than Kusama. Polkadot is at 8, Kusama only at 44. So Kusama has 2.3 billion market cap, 346 million traded in the last 24 hours, similar to Polkadot, where the 24-hour trading volume is way lower than the market cap, which means that there's more holders than sellers. It's definitely good to see people holding something instead of just selling. Huge selling action is definitely bad news for cryptos, right? So let's keep on reading here. We have way more stuff to discuss about even Kusama, because Kusama ties directly with Polkadot, right? So launch your custom blockchain. Look at this. Launch your custom blockchain. That's crazy. Fast iteration. Move fast and ship your product. Kusama's risk-taking and nimble mentality allows developers to move swiftly through the governance and upgrade process of enabling rapid progress and growth. And can we just take a second here to acknowledge the vocabulary and grammar and literacy of Kusama, of these cryptos, Polkadot, all of this. Like they're bringing out words I've never heard before and words I just never knew even existed. Like, I may look stupid or sound stupid saying this. I do not care. I did not know some of these words that they're saying. Like, they're saying so big words. Like, look, I can't even pronounce it all the time, even though it's so easy to pronounce. It's just such a big word. Look at this. Interoperability. Like, interoperability. What is, like, who makes these words? This is crazy. I don't even, let's just keep going. This is crazy. Who's making these words? This is too much for me right now. But look, low economic barriers. Launch your custom blockchain project with low barriers to entry, ideal for lean startups looking to move fast and iterate. So you can literally launch your own custom blockchain on this. So Kusama is really groundbreaking right now, really changing things right now. And you got to think it's the same thing that Ethereum's doing. Like, you can do so much on the Ethereum network, and you can do so much on Kusama, so much on Polkadot. Like, they have so much usability that these are some of the leading cryptos out there. Like, cryptos are going to be really big, and now we have the trendsetters. We have the main trendsetters with our cryptos, right? Let's go back over to CoinMarketCap and look at our top cryptos. Okay, so here we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Polkadot, USD Coin, and Internet Computer. These are the top 10 cryptos. These are the top 10 cryptos. These are the cryptos that are really, all right, let's take USD Coin out, right? Take USD Coin out and take Tether out. All right, now we can bring two more back in because they really don't count. Internet Computer and Uniswap. And let's just bring another one in, Polygon, because the Polygon's a really good one. And Chainlink, and Litecoin, and Stellar. All right, there's so many other good ones. I can't just keep adding them up. Solana's good. Ethereum is amazing. Binance, but Binance USD is garbage because it's just a stable coin. But we already know that. VeChain, Theta, and all these other stuff, right? So cryptos are going really crazy right now. Let's keep on reading with Kusama here. Advanced technology built on a next generation shared multi-chain network while employing the newest features before they are deployed on Polkadot. So we have so much advanced stuff going on here. Let's keep going. Open governance. Kusama is owned and governed by a community, not just one person. Kusama is owned and governed by a community of network participants who vote on and control the evolution of the network and have a voice and make your mark in the evolution of the network. They have an engaged community, just like Dogecoin. They have an engaged community. Leverage Polkadot's global brand and developer community for your parachain and parathread or the app. So let's go over here and look. Polkadot does have a huge community here, 437k followers here on this. And then they have the Polkadot news channel, which is 28k followers. So yeah, let's just keep reading more about Polkadot because there's so much going on here with Polkadot, right? Valuable. All right, Polkadot, Kusama, they both tie together. So valuable experience for teams looking to move to Polkadot after fine-tuning on Kusama. Begin building your community and brand on Kusama before deployment. All right, so now that we got all that out the way, now we know about Kusama. So Kusama is it ties directly in with Polkadot. Look, innovation. Kusama is built by the same team as Polkadot. They're built by the same team using nearly the same code and same tools. The network places the latest tech from Parity Technologies and Web3 Foundation in the hands of developers, even before those features make it to Polkadot. So that's actually pretty big. Before the new stuff comes to Polkadot, they put it on Kusama first. So this is huge right here. I'm gonna make an individual video about Kusama, but yeah, there's a lot that you need to know about Kusama and about Polkadot. And if Kusama wins, Polkadot wins. Polkadot wins, Kusama wins. Polkadot wins, Ethereum wins. Ethereum wins, Polkadot wins. They're all connected. So this is really cool right now. So scalability. Kusama's sharded blockchains and open governance provide a scalable and future-proof infrastructure for business, marketplace, and applications to deploy and mature. There's that word again. Interoperability. Kusama brings multiple blockchains together into one shared network, freeing developers from the silos created by legacy blockchain networks. Customization with sub-rate developer can build their own app-specific blockchain and connect it to Kusama. Big things going on here. Develop on the Canary network. There's so many things going on here with Kusama, but we only have a little bit to read here, so let's read over here. Develop on the Canary network. Many teams will choose Kusama for their dApp or parachain and remain exclusively on Kusama. Other teams will join Kusama as a temporary preparation ground for deployment on Polkadot. So yeah, it's like a stepping stone to Polkadot here. So this is pretty cool. Like, I really like Kusama. I really like Polkadot, all of that. So let's go ahead and go to our next thing with Polkadot. Polkadot price forecast. They are actually forecasting the price for Polkadot. Let's see what they think. So before they even do that, I'm gonna tell you right now what I think Polkadot is gonna be. By the end of the year, Polkadot will reach, let's just I want to say $50 to $100 by the end of the year. Honestly, $50 to $100 by the end of the year for Polkadot, and then leading into, and you got to remember, crypto winter from August to December, leading into January, things are typically red in crypto. that's just the rumor, it's just what goes around, because remember, the same thing doesn't have to happen every year. It doesn't always have to follow that pattern. Just like with these trend lines, these trends, they don't always all have to follow these patterns. Like, yes, we have this trend line that's been going down, and yes, we have a trend line that's going up, but it doesn't necessarily have to follow the uptrend. It could end up breaking the uptrend and then starting another downtrend. So remember, the same thing is gonna go for leading into crypto winter. So we could go down leading into crypto winter, but it could break all odds and we could actually go up. So given that we do go up, it would be at $100 by next year. But if crypto winter is going to live up to its name, then only $50 by next year. So that's what we're seeing, $50 by next year, as in by January, February, March, all that, by around that time next year. That's my prediction, $50 to $100, right? So Polkadot price forecast, primed to rally 30% after collecting liquidity. I guess they're doing a little short-term one. They're saying it's going to go back up to about $38, a little short-term, or about $28. But this is short-term thinking right here. But it's going to keep going up. And this is just really a short-term chart that they're kind of doing here, right? So Polkadot price suffered a fatal drop. We all knew this, blah, blah, blah. So let's continue to move on here. And Polkadot weighs multi-chain tech challenges ahead of dot pair chain auctions. So this was the little meeting that they had, the whole Polkadot thing. And let's read this. Decentralization is all about trade-offs. Polkadot, for example, was designed to carry heavier transaction loads than Ethereum. Blah blah blah. We already know what they're talking about here, but this whole thing with Polkadot, like, look at this. This is an actual meeting. Like, let's bring this into here so we can actually zoom in on this. So look, they actually had open image in a new tab. They actually had an actual meeting for Polkadot. Like, look at all those people there. They're all the great minds of Polkadot, all the great minds of all the developers. They're all coming together here, and they're really setting in stone what Polkadot is going to do. And they're really talking about the problems Polkadot has and how to overcome those problems. Kind of like Ethereum Classic, when they had their little call, when they had their little meeting. Ethereum Classic had that live meeting that all the holders could, or hodlers, all the hodlers could go and tune into that meeting. So yeah, Polkadot on the rise. Definitely looking out for Polkadot. And look at the Polkadot community on Twitter. It actually has a pretty big community on Twitter. So look, Polkadot, 520 tweets in the last hour for Polkadot. And look at this tweet right here. This is a really important tweet. Ethereum's success will be Polkadot's success, and Polkadot's success will be Ethereum's success. We are all in this together, and these networks will be woven together. Value and information will flow freely, just like with today's databases we don't even notice are there. So this is crazy, because with the blockchain, the whole blockchain is connected. Like, it's all connected, and they're connecting things on a level where, like, just the US dollar and all this other currencies, they can't do it like this. Like, Forex is nothing like crypto. Like, they can't touch crypto. But look at this xcrypto correction. Bitcoin down 54%, Ethereum down 57%, ADA 58%, Stellar 62%, Solana 63%, XRP down 64%, Polkadot down 65%. So everything is down right now. That's a huge correction. So people are asking, is crypto about to crash? Crypto already did crash. Like, look at that. We already did kind of have, not a crash, but we already did have a correction. So we're going to continue to go up and rise huge. And if you kind of think about it, Dogecoin down 70%, like, that's a crash. But Dogecoin, it crashes, it goes right back up. Same thing with all the other cryptos. They crash, they go right back up. Bitcoin is like 40K right now. Like, it went all the way down to 29K. Now it's 40K. So that's crazy. So yeah, so many things going on with Polkadot. Let's keep scrolling down here. Join top teams in the Substrate Polkadot ecosystem to discuss building a Substrate standalone chain versus a Polkadot chain. It's raining tokens on Roku. I don't even know how. Why do these people gotta make these weird names for their companies? Like, I can't even pronounce your company name. I'm just gonna call it ROQQU. Roku. I mean, there's already a Roku, but it's a Nigerian company. So it's a Nigerian crypto company. So you can buy, sell, and accept crypto on this Nigerian crypto company. So we're starting to really diversify inside all the countries that are actually invested inside of cryptos. Like, now Nigeria is in cryptos, and you can get that Polkadot on there, another platform for Polkadot. So yeah, this is pretty crazy that all this is going on inside of the Polkadot ecosystem, the crypto ecosystem. And let's just keep on going up here. Let's look at our Polkadot main Twitter. So this is the main Twitter for Polkadot here. Polkadot is a sharded protocol that enables blockchain networks to operate together seamlessly. So they really connect blockchain networks. They really connect them easily, and that is their main goal. So just like with Ethereum does some great things, and Polkadot wouldn't exist without Ethereum. So we everything is just so connected right now. That's why I say everything follows Bitcoin, because if Ethereum follows Bitcoin and Polkadot follows Ethereum, you can kind of tell why everything drops when Bitcoin drops. So we need to keep Bitcoin on its toes, on its feet, and same thing with Ethereum, because yes, Ethereum follows Bitcoin, but Ethereum also has a little mind of its own. Even though it follows Bitcoin a little bit, it still has a mind of its own. So that's just what we have to look at here. We have to look at the facts and the reality. Look at this. Polkadot's parachains launch is expected to begin once two things happen. Okay, so Polkadot's parachains launch is expected to begin once two things happen. Thing number one, a full external audit is completed. Thing number two, Kusama Network executes at least one successful auction involving crowd loans and hosting at least one functional parachain. Wow. Okay, so upgrade yours truly to version 0.9, deploy shell parachain. So yeah, they're really waiting for Kusama right now. They're waiting for Kusama to execute at least one successful auction. So this is what they've been talking about. They've been having a huge talk about this. So a lot of things have been going on with Polkadot and crypto in general. But look, Polkadot decoded. Gotta find them all. Competition has come to an end, and we're ready to announce the results. Check out whether you're among 50 winners to receive Polkadot branded Ledger Nano X. So wow, they're actually giving out Polkadot branded Ledger Nano X. I actually just got my Ledger Nano X in the mail. And yeah, it's definitely good to have a hardware wallet. But let's keep going. All the NFT winners are listed in the contest description and will receive. So they have all these contests going on. Polkadot is number one. Polkadot is one. The network's Genesis block was produced 1 year ago today. Since then, Polkadot has upgraded from proof of authority to nominated proof of stake, enabled governance features, removed pseudo, enabled token transfers, and redenominated up next parachains networks. Why do I keep getting stuck with these words? This is so crazy and stupid, but let's keep going. Look over here. The DeFi Alliance is excited to support Polkadot specific programming for our accelerators, current and next cohort. So there's so much going on here with Polkadot. It's kind of hard to like recap everything, because there's so many different Polkadot like factors here, so many different catalysts that are going to send Polkadot to the moon. So looking at the Polkadot news channel here, they just now retweeted this from Liontree, and Liontree is Web 3.0 cross-chain identity. But let's go here and look at this. Announcing our new partnership with LME Platform. So this is crazy. Announcing the new partnership with IME Platform, an innovative Telegram-based messenger with built-in AI and crypto wallet. IME is integrating Liontree into its messenger to allow blockchain identity management and social network. This is groundbreaking right here. Stay tuned for more details. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy groundbreaking. So yeah, with the news channel, it looks like they're putting the same stuff on the news channel. So we're not going to go over all of this on here, because this video is getting kind of long. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, the DeFi Alliance is excited to support Polkadot. So yeah, they have another collab here going on. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.